Share my thanks and praise for the team who worked on completing my landscape project so beautifully. Leslie Albritton is the designer who listened to my ideas and turned them into a design that exceeded my expectations. She was very helpful with plant-to-tree selection and pulled on her obvious experience with design suggestions. Adam and his crew were the hardworking professionals who removed the existing 40-year-old landscape, regraded beds, and installed the new plants to design. They were very accommodating and very pleasant to work with. I am totally happy with the entire project and outcome and look forward to watching it as the plants mature. I'm not surprised several neighbors have asked if I'm putting my house on the market. The outcome from this landscape project has certainly improved the curb appeal of my home.